asks me all the time where I believe she went. I think of that old green Ford, the chipped windshield and the dents, those fuzzy dice in the broken tail light and the cracked leather seats inside. And there's a suitcase sitting shotgun in that ride. That was the last place that I had seen her, driving too fast in that old machine. Her daddy had gave her the summer between her junior and senior years. Never dreamed her heart would stray till she pulled away and left me in the dust. Now all I know is she's somewhere in a truck. Yeah, I get it all the time. Do you think she moved to LA? It was always her dream to be in the movies someday. Or maybe she never left Tennessee and she just skipped town. Hell if I know where to start tracking her down. 'Cause that was the last place that I had seen her, driving too fast in that old machine. Her daddy had gave her the summer between her junior and senior years. Never dreamed her heart would stray till she pulled away and left me in the dust. Now all I know is she's somewhere in a truck. Where she is right now is anybody's guess. As far as I'm concerned, her license plate's her new address. 'Cause that was the last place that I had seen her, driving too fast in that old machine. Her daddy had gave her the summer between her junior and senior years. Never dreamed her heart would stray till she pulled away and left me in the dust.